Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the HP Laserjet 1320 printer driver on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for HP Laserjet 1320. So when you search for it, you just have to hit enter. Now you will find the first link from the official website of hp.com. It contains the HP Laserjet 1320 printer series software and driver. So this is the exact page that we want. You can click on this particular link. Then it is going to redirect you here on this particular page. Now click on the option of choose a different operating system. In the operating system, simply select Windows. In the versions list, simply select Windows 11. You can also download it for Windows 10 and 8. So after clicking on it, simply click on the option of update. Now it is going to show you all the softwares and the drivers available. So I wanted to click on this drop down menu right next to Utility Universal Printer Driver. Now here you will find this download button. When you click on this download button, the zip file will be start to download on your device just like so. You just have to double click on it. After that, you will see the setup in it. You just have to double click on that setup and then simply install the driver on your device. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.